In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a screenshot into Microsoft Word quickly and easily. This is a super useful skill if you want to add visuals, capture important information, or make your documents clearer and more professional. Whether you want to insert an entire window or just a small portion of your screen, Word gives you built-in tools that make the process simple. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful Microsoft Word tips. Let's jump right in. First, make sure the window or application you want to capture is open and not minimized. This is important because Word can only insert screenshots from windows that are currently available on your screen. Next, open your Microsoft Word document and place your cursor exactly where you want the screenshot to appear. That way, when you insert it, it lands right in the correct spot without you needing to move it later. Now go up to the ribbon at the top and click the Insert tab. Once you're in the Insert tab, look for the Illustrations group. In that section, you'll see the Screenshot option. Click on Screenshot to open the available capture choices. If you want to insert a full window, look under Available Windows. You'll see thumbnails of the open windows on your computer. Just click the one you want and Word will automatically insert that entire window into your document. This is the fastest option when you need a full capture of a web page, app, or file. If you only need part of the screen, choose Screen Clipping. When you click Screen Clipping, Word will minimize and your screen will become available for selection. From there, click and drag to highlight the exact area you want to capture. Once you release the mouse, Word will place that clipped screenshot directly into your document at the cursor location. This is great when you only want to show a section of a window or focus on a specific detail. After the screenshot is inserted, you can resize it or move it around just like any other image in Word. You can also use Word's picture formatting tools if you want to add borders, crop the image, or adjust the layout with text wrapping. That gives you even more control over how your document looks, and that's it. Now you know how to insert a screenshot into Microsoft Word using both available windows and screen clipping. It's a simple feature, but it can make your documents much more useful and easier to understand. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.